Hola, hola, I'm Désirée Iturbide and today I'm going to show you how to draw a bumblebee. Bumblebee are fairly easy to draw. You need just a couple of geometrical figures and you'll have them. Okay, so we will start by making an oval. And this oval we will remove a little bit curve here. Say I'm gonna make another oval here. I'm gonna remove this area and I will end up with the shape of a bean. We will have the head here is fairly big, a circle, and they kind of intersect here. The eye is also quite big. It's like if you have the seed of an apple. So I'm gonna make the eye here. Then we have you know, they have two colors, right? So to make those stripes, the easiest way is if you make ovals along the body, and this will help you to have all the lines in the same shape and perspective. So one here, the other one here, the one here, and the last one here. Bumblebees have 3 pairs of legs, and each leg is built of 3 segments. And so we're gonna make them like this. 1, 2, and the last one is just like, I don't know if you can say the feet, but that's how they end. So one of the pairs is here. The second one is around this area. And the third one is between the head and the body. Now we're gonna make the ones that are behind. You just see 2 pieces of each one. The antenna come from the back of the head. They are curved with a little thing here. So you can also easier make them in this shape. I'm sorry. And the wings come also from the back, and they have the same kind of shape like ovals. Okay, now I can just get all my lines together. Head, the body, remember they are quite furry, and they have all these hairs which make them super cute. I love bumblebees. Like this. Oops, sorry. So we want to add this texture to our bumblebee. And now I'm gonna make here one of the legs, the other one which is behind this one, then the other one is here, this one is here, and the last pair of them are here. When you paint the eyes, remember to leave a space for the light. It's very important, otherwise you'll end up with a zombie. Plus the wings. And the antenna. I'm going to turn around my notebook so it's easier for me to draw. Go. If you enjoyed this video, please help me grow this channel by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell below. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. And there are lots of them to come.